This is my little garden. Look like the little saw. Mirrors all over the place. You see, it's pretty colourful. Spent a lot of time out here. Not a big garden, but looking good. Nearly fell over the water feature. Mirrors all over the garden, as you can see. Couldn't tell you what half the plants are, but never mind. As you can see, I love my little statues of the birds. And finally, this is a little water feature with 3 goldfish hidden away somewhere. So, hope you like it.